24 in the expansion of 1 plus x square whole power 12 into 1 plus x power 12 into 1 plus x power 24 is binomial expansion 12c0 plus 12c1 into x square plus 12c2 into x square whole square plus 12c3 x square whole cube plus 12c4 x square whole power 4 plus 12c5 x square whole power 5 plus 12c6 x square whole power 6 plus 12c7 x square whole power 7 plus 12c8 x square whole power 8 plus 12c9 x square whole to the power 9 plus 12c10 x square whole power 10 plus 12c11 x square whole power 11 plus 12c12 x square whole power 12 into multiplying these two 1 plus x power 24 plus x power 12 plus x to the power 36. We take a coefficient of x power 12 in this expansion. Here x to the power of 12th term, these two, 12c0, coefficient of x power 12 is 12c0, and then here x power 8, 12, this is x power 12, 12c6 plus that's all. Okay, now that is equal to 12c0 means 1, 12c12 is also 1, so 12c6 plus 2 is the answer. The coefficient of x power minus n in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n into 1 plus 1 by x whole power n is coefficient of x power minus n. So that can be written as 1 plus x whole power n into taking LCM is x plus 1 by x whole power n. That is equal to 1 plus x whole power 2n by x power n. That is equal to 2nc0 plus 2nc1 into x plus 2nc2 into x square plus 1 plus 2nc2n x power 2n by x power n. Coefficient of x power minus n is 2nc0. That is the coefficient of x power minus n. Coefficient. Question number 8. The coefficient of x power 7 in the expansion of 1 minus x square plus x cube plus whole power 6. Answer is 1 minus x. Minus taking x square is common, 1 minus x whole power 6. That is 1 minus x whole power 6 into 1 minus x square whole power 6. We are taking expansion of these two. 1 minus x whole power 6 is 6c0 minus 6c1 into x plus 6c2 into x square minus 6c3 into x cube plus 6c4 into x power 4 minus 6c5 into x to the power 5 plus 6c6 into x power 6 into 6c0 minus 6c1 into x square plus 6c2 into x square whole square minus 6c3 into x square whole cube plus 6c4 into x square whole power 4 minus 6c5 into x square whole power 5 plus 6c6 into x square whole power 6. in this expansion, taking the coefficient of x power 7, coefficient of x power 7 is C naught into, there is no x power 7 term in this expansion. So minus 6c1 c3 6x square the 4 కావాలి long x cube into this one minus 6c3 into 6c2 next x power 5 into this minus 6c5 into minus 6c1. These are the coefficients of x power 7. Minus 6c1 means 6. Minus 6c3 means minus 20. Minus 6c3 20. 6c2 is 15. Plus minus into minus 6 into 6. This is minus 120 minus 300 plus 36, that is minus 144. That is the coefficient of x power 7 in this expansion. Question number 9. If the absolute term, and that means independent term, in the expansion of root x minus k by x square whole power 10 is 405, then k is equal to. So first of all here we want to find r. R is equal to np minus 0 by p plus q, where n means 10, p is 1 by 2 by p means 1 by 2 plus 2. So that is 2. R is equal to 2. So the independent term is NCR, a to the power of n minus r into b to the power of r, where n means 10, c, r is 2, a is 1, b is minus k whole to the power 2. Given it is 405. Independent term is 405. So 10c2 means 10 into 9 by 2 into 1 into k square is equal to 405. Now this is 45 into k square is equal to 405. So cancel 5 on both sides. 9 is equal to 81. So therefore k square is equal to 9 cube. Therefore k is equal to 9. 5 the 5 9s 81 times. So